Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, anywhere where you watch us from. Welcome to your number one family entertainment channel, will be WAP TV. The program name now Sports Arena. Anywhere one day they watch us inside this beautiful Saturday morning. Make sure to say you don't be boo to relax, enjoy yourself. Sake of talk, say now time to tutorial and jollof in the morning with better sport talk on top of the number one family entertainment channel, will be WAP TV. Now here entertainment they start and now here entertainment they finish. Now here entertainment they leave. Call papa. Call mama, call sister, brother, molebi plus Aradugbo. Tell them to say yes, so Eric don't come every morning again on top Saturday, 10 a.m. Destination time, now 11 a.m. But for now, we're going to gel up for the morning with better sport talk. Make sure say, when I enjoy them and I take the happen, I see the hot on top sport all over the world. Now, so we're going to bring them from now on top the US Open, down to the qualifier for World Cup, enter champions and Premier League, all. Now we're going to touch light. Some kind of on the come out now. The yarn to say, as PSG knock back for ground onto Ronaldo matter, that's why they go clock eye put on top Neymar and they carry Neymar come up for inside back and hand. Yeah, so my question to Wenger be say, why you want me then give you Sanchez? May you go through away. Say they go bring one person come inside Manchester Arsenal. When you get better player to exchange, what is wrong with you, Arsenal coach? I know say you know if you try that mistake. We'll look into all that one holistically. You don't enter with ESA, Manchester City and Liverpool, they go drag them today for inside the English Premier League. We go know who be who on top the Mara. All now we go put Martin inside. And make una not forget to say yes, so with Nigerian people there, that Super Eagles, they self get big match for hand to take clinch their own 3 points. Make sure say yes, everything finished for them for inside the World Cup matter. We go look inside that one if Nigeria can beat the Chipolopolo of Zambia. All now we go look. With the SC3, SC2, themselves they don't enter relegation zone. Can they fight out from that relegation zone? All of them. Now we go look inside this morning. Oh yeah, Bebu, make you quite enjoy the matter. No, but let me go do sports alone inside the studio. I don't deal with men them. When we say with the tottery talk and enjoy sports for now inside the studio. For my right hand side inside this morning, now in fact, he name don't go, they come because he don't tell why I even see him. They call her Red Eye Soldier. But hey, what can we do? Hola, good morning. How your side?
Which one be the Red Eye Soldier?
No be Rosenaro in the pursue.
Yeah, red and black. Fine, but which one be the red? My name now Ola. Just take up like that. How's Zion now?
Your name now Ola. We don't hear your name now. But I know which club you support. Open your ear.
Rossoneri, the AC Milan. We are going for the trophy. Scudetto.
You know why I know say your own see better? Ishra, good morning.
Good morning, Eric.
How your side? Ishra, which club you support again?
Good morning, my people first.
Which club you support?
West Ham United. Eric.
Emmanuel, good morning, Jare.
Good morning.
How your side?
No, I support club where they beat 4-0 before we go on break. No mention name.
Stop now.
The club
Cameroon they support. Cameroon they support. Cameroon they support. Let's beat them 4-0. So Cameroon be a club.
4-0.
Wow, well.
4-0 happen for England. No mention name.
But me, proud Eyimba fan.
Eyimba, you. Okay, we shall see.
Eric, how far went happen last week?
You know, make we move on. Now, moving on right now.
Okay, you know what? After the show,
as I like this now. When I want to say more finish, my call on about clothes, they cry. When I want to finish, my own about clothes, they cry. You go give me today. You go give me today. Oh boy, now what did happen for inside the league for inside Nigeria for here? We talk about Remo Stars. We talk about the people that we did the relegation zone, 3SC, and Gombe don't go and all those. What thing they happen?
ABS said they follow.
ABS, no ABS, and then they down. Say if you look at where
we put smart for the team last week, and team will go through relegate and team will survive. But
3SC said they no go. If they go,
3SC they play tornadoes for a way. So themselves they hope say maybe Wiki Tori self no win, make sincere.
Why they don't win your match and leave people alone?
To win now 3SC now this team no train now because they won't go on strike because of salaries, so they don't pay them. So they are, I don't know whether they before they will go back to tornadoes if they don't get some trainings because they go on strike during the week. But now they don't come back to go play tornadoes, which I say it very difficult for them to win tornadoes.
I feel remember when last any Premier League go strike.
See, you know, it happened for La Liga. It happened for La Liga some time ago. Levante go on strike.
Levante go on strike.
Yes, but Premiership. Now Premiership, say TV rights. They get TV rights.
But
for
the Amebo will
English
enter
Premiership.
with now the Amebo talking about TV right now. We hear say Nigerian Professional Football and NTA.
Yes.
They don't release partnership. Say they go the air
For this
Nigerian
match,
Professional
this
League.
last match, this last
No,
game.
no, but no, now
And
this one a
final game, this final game, they
new
won't
press
just
release
start.
now.
We just hope
They
say
won't
as
just
they talk
start.
and they do
They'll
and people say just
continue.
talk.
They'll continue for this because like this one game now they want because this game was there on TV. The other one, the Play 2 match go there on DSTV. Why this other one go there on NT? Which MFM match go there on NT? So that we will feel look what's in the happen. And last week, one thing happened for the history of Nigerian League happened for 40 penalty for 1 week.
That's you know when I see you right that in there, I won't call you. I call your number. Say you. You don't want to travel again. Go watch match.
15 penalties.
The most
For
40 for 1 week.
1 week.
When you go
7
upload
days.
that, when I say when put them, I try calling number, call. But I see our Brother Kazim say, let's say Brother Kazim. If let's say Brother Kazim mention something like that.
The
on
Rangers
internet.
game.
Instead of 15,
See,
Abi.
the Enyimba and Rangers game one of the most one of the games say every I done that game because Enyimba they play away. Enyimba try to get away so they get continental ticket. Aqua they are back. So Aqua they pursue them. So Enyimba don't
Now
score
how many points
penalty.
they pass Aqua? You know pass you.
Enyimba get penalty, which is a clean penalty. But the second penalty they give Rangers, something like 87 minutes and they give Rangers that penalty.
Something must win something.
Something is happening now.
And they just
Something is
play
happening now.
Like Plateau United did only a win at least to
A draw, they are
at least
okay, because
to wrap up.
MFN no fit
But
win
for
away.
but for the
14
regulation
penalties.
team, me I think if say 3 years if you qualify, they get 50 points. Maybe to just avoid defeat today because
They are playing away,
They are
brother.
playing away to Tornadoes.
Tornadoes.
They are playing away, not that. So at the end now, you dey talk say they won't go on strike. They don't want to
They go on
train.
strike
They
last
go on
week,
strike,
they don't
and they
come
need
back
to
on
train.
train.
before they can play.
You know why I talk like that? We know the Nigerian Professional League away home win.
Home and away,
Yes.
yes. Same if you dey home.
Now
go
if they go win away,
something dey
aye,
happen.
Abracadabra don't enter the team.
aye.
Now let Sunshine do that in this season. I think Sunshine win away. They win some away games. They still get some draw. Teams like you find like teams like Play 2 where they top the league. No go fit win away. You know, if they top the league,
You no go fit win away.
you're gonna play a team where they middle table of the league. You know go still fit beat them.
for home.
And
So-
you dey top the league.
And they top the league. It's not like say Real Madrid now
Then
they
how
go
you take
Levante,
get
no fit
there?
win. How you take go there? So one they win your home games, get few draws. The team
No
wey
be
don
say
get
get
the
you.
The
Win your
draw
own
sef,
team.
Win your own team.
Make sure say your draw for away dey
Na 0-0.
constant.
constant.
Make it
Constant
draw.
because the referee sef go still do one thing wey go favour the home team. You see wetin happen for Nation Cup even for qualifiers.
Thank you for qualifier Senegal.
Senegal
Na where I
game.
dey go be that.
They don't
The
cancel the
referee
match,
father do that same thing 24 years ago. The guy
Can you
Papa,
imagine?
the Adelante in Papa
Can you
do the
imagine?
same thing. They play the game against Zaire.
Kaye
Now
ma di
again,
say away
the
yan.
son-
See where you go. Cheche Kaye ma di say away yan. Oh no, they don't go bring him papa history. Oh, Kaye ma
Now the
nika.
guy now do the same thing now. Two things that the matter don dey court now because South Africa now don send to FIFA say they no go dey play that game because the team don go.
That man, they get any son wey dey do sport.
If that son do referee sef, you know say.
He don't go call am. All right, just in case you didn't tune in, I still Sport Arena and the watch. I don't tell them I say the one I tell they enjoy am for here. Now so we give the one that they argue am for the house. Now so we they argue am here. But trust me, the main cocoa be say we must inform una on how the matter tell they happen all over the world. Sake of talk say sport now unifying factor for everybody. Take am like that. Nigerian Professional League, whether you like am or not, I know so we don't let una know say 3SC, even with a strike, they no get choice. They must go play because they just need just one win to come out there for that relegation zone. Or now away they play. Ewo. Now so you don't be for that matter. Now everybody they look to say who go carry the league for inside Nigerian Professional League because this away and home team. Anyway, more live like that. And also don't let know say NTA now don't be official partner for Nigerian Professional League to the broadcast the sport and the play there we go happen for inside Nigerian Professional League. I happy for that one. I no go live for now. I happy for that one. At least make we with the Niger feed watch our own players. And once why they beg LMC again, any player where they go transfer, I beg put them for paper or put them for even online. Online is cheap.
Abi?
Online is cheap.
just know who
No,
is
we
moving.
just know who they move. Not be say we go dey watch like Stephen Ode.
Yes, now.
You know, so somebody argue with me when I tell the person say Stephen Ode don't try, you don't go.
How we
That's
wan take
sweet.
know now? You can imagine how we wan take know.
And
But for-
no. You know, we argue this thing for our sorry, no vex abeg. As Stephen Ode come on for MFM, big vacuum day, true or false?
Definitely.
He
He go there for the league because
for last season where FMFM they fight relegation and now then gain intercontinental game ticket this season is a good one, but for CBO they who go come replace this guy for this
goal scoring player week in week out.
come on.
and I saw it be greener pastures. Most of our players don't try from the like of Godwin Obaje, from this guy with the Eyimba. We get most of it like that. When they don't score, idol scorer. Next thing they won't go Europe. Next thing the biggest thing for Europe.
I remember when Aka started.
See that greener. See if we package our league, South African league now, it okay. Now their players they come stay, but our players when they play one season, they won't go Europe. Any small club just grab them. They won't go Europe. The likes of Salami they play for Finland. They play for Finland compared to Nigeria.
My brother,
Finland reach Lagos State.
if we look all those
But they won't just go Europe.
Look all those one, my brother.
Israel.
No, come on your hand for soup. Make them know that that's the way you see for inside. Soup where they go the pack you for hand. That is not that parable.
When anytime
welcome.
we coach want invite player, we go receive foreign
so
player.
what-
So no matter what you do, anytime we want invite player, go see foreign player. My brother even as South Africa, he dey
Something is
foreign.
doing you.
Look the Super
Go
Eagles
and play
team now.
Lomé, they will not call you for the player.
Everybody
Go
they.
Go and play Lomé. Go play for Lomé. Make you dey play week in week out. You're a foreign player.
Since Stevie know they now, don't go FC Zurich now. Make season start now. Maybe the guy they play. They go invite from Super Eagles.
No, be there. You be there.
And this guy, MFM,
they don't call him.
Ibrahim Tijani for Swansea. You know about Samadi Pinnick saying one go
this
carry
guy,
am come.
Ibrahim, this Nigerian boy, Tammy Ibrahim.
They won't carry am come Nigeria now.
19 years old boy.
Must it be when you go abroad, do well, and then they will come call you? Why you not
Why
call
you
them
not
when
see
they
them for
why
this
you not
league?
see
Why
them?
you
Mona wait. I dey go watch match today. I'll carry on a go. And I'll ask people for this. This is Sport Arena. I dey go Agege. When we reach there, I know say me and Kazim go because I know say Kazim know people. I'll tell Kazim say case ìjọba mi pé bàbá yẹn ó fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn. But for now, moving on to the matter. Okay, no be news. You know me, Israel. Why you need to hear common English? Okay, US Open on the happen right now as me and the talk. Venus Williams, in fact, I dey happy for her because hi, I know. Why she need they just ever carry am? She dey come close like this.
You know, they call it near syndrome.
You know what they call pain?
They see the trophy. You know, fit carry am. Benfica be. And this girl don't play. After she don't try. Last Open, and so she do. She
Don't call her a girl again. Or it's me.
Okay, this woman don't reach before they beat her. Before Mugu. The last Muguruza beat her. Before Assista even come out, go Assista beat her for final. Muguruza beat her. Now again, one small girl, Ceylon
When they
Stefan.
seeded. She not now waiting the payment
For
that this
semi-final. I don't know. See, now,
If na person wey dey say that beat am,
no
it's okay.
consistency for the WTA, for the
For
women,
a while now,
round.
non-seeded teenagers, they flog her out.
See, this girl, I think she was 24. Now, see, for WTA, for the women's side now, anybody upset they happen. See the number one, so like Sharapova come beat number two, come out. Sharapova just go after 14 weeks. After 14 months, never play. Just come, all racket, beat world number 2.
But the way they take beat Sharapova come out safe, man. It didn't draw me from out too.
People they happy because
That is WTA for you.
a drug band. What number one, the same thing, so they're not can come out. And you know they see the consistency from the woman's side, apart from Serena Williams, so they consistent over the years. For the women, anybody can come from nowhere, beat anybody. Go enter final. Now, the final now, see, look, imagine US final, we don't see the regular people for the regular people for final.
But now for Americans, now
all American because one as they play for American now, so they give some white card to some other young talents to prove themselves. Now we don't see young girls now don't come as I want to do that.
Okay, that now what we get for now on top the US Open with that. Smoke and just stay tuned because of talk say better talk on top here. Go still they come up. Welcome back to Sports Arena. And now on the watch on top of number one family entertainment channel will be WAP TV. Okay, if you don't on top social media, you want to put my forward with the talk. www.facebook.com/Sports Arena. And there you go still link us up, like the page, leave your comment there, we'll go read them out. And if you don't on top Twitter, www.twitter.com/@WAP Sports Arena. Now be with Twitter handle. And if you don't on top WhatsApp 08052153279. 08052153279. Now be on WhatsApp number. I beg, no call the WhatsApp number. No do WhatsApp call, just only WhatsApp messages. We go feel read them out loud and clear. At the half hour of the time, that is for 10:30. That time, number wey una go fit call, go down the run on top on a TV screen for una to take callers, put ma for wetin we dey talk. At the same time, before una call, abeg, comot for near your TV, make you reduce am kpata, so that we go fit dey hear you from your phone. That way, we go fit communicate effectively. Yes, Nigeria dey play Chipolopolo of Zambia. E no go take again na next month, na im be the date and time for that matter. Ola, we go fit beat Zambia if we go look bush.
If we go look bush, like you say, if we go look bush, or if we can't let complacency enter this matter as the euphoria of Cameroon, they our brain say we don't flog them 4-0, draw them 1-1. If we go look bush, Zambia, I don't know Zambia, or we don't know Zambia. Say they be that African nation where we say African country where we say they play well. They one of the team for Africa where they play beautiful football, and they get player like the Calabar and the rest. They get player where sabi play good football. They can play area ball with you, play on put ball on the pitch with you, play you well. So for we to go their house, beat them, na great advantage for Nigeria. So now make we just know Congo they capitalize on now, say we don't flog them for us now after all. Now our house we do. Make we can say okay, we don't beat Cameroon now, we be boss.
No, Congo relax.
Because as I said for that last match when we play Cameroon, that thing affects Nigeria. They played well, fine, no doubt. But to come finish the scoring line, fine, they get some shots on target. Igalo did, Moses did, other players did. But make we not just capitalize, say yes, now we dey top. We beat Cameroon of all the indomitable and we beat them. See Zambia as that team we fit stop you like Angola did. Once we dey look Zambia say, remember Angola, see Zambia, just put them together. This one no go happen this time. If you can do that one, we are already in Russia.
Okay.
Well, we'll see what's happening for Cameroon, the way Nigeria play. And this squad of Super Eagles team, see me, I get belief for the Super Eagles right from time. The kind of Super Eagles team where I don't see.
believe where you carry go Calabar.
South Africa.
South Africa match, I call Israel. After what's happening in Calabar?
No respect.
Man, bros, man. If you see the old uncle, I say, Akilo Chele. No, it's okay. Man, bros, man.
South Africa.
Man, bros. And I say, oh, man, goes okay.
I thought that I said South Africa are blessing in disguise. South African game open our high. And the people will don't lose that game. We will get this confidence. We will beat any team. So that's the kind of game open our high. We don't say our laps and say we know good. And now we need to bring our best team to prosecute our games. That's why we bring the boys to play against Cameroon. I never Super Eagles play like that for a very long time. Beat Cameroon 4-1. Go their home, go draw, narrow draw 1-1. So with this, if we come with that same spirit, face Zambia, the spirit will play Cameroon, play Zambia for Zambia home. Definitely, we're supposed to beat Zambia to qualify. One, we just get what we know Super Eagles say. We don't need to underrate the Zambians again. Okay. We just need to get this job done. Come October 7th next month, we need to get this job done. As the old fans don't come and support Super Eagles, prayers everywhere. If we still continue like this, support the Super Eagles, I think we're supposed to take Zambia out. We just need to win Zambia. I don't want to go for a draw. A win against Zambia, we don't qualify. We don't go.
No, over the year, we don't talk and say anytime where Super Eagles no do, or say we want to go back to the drawing board. For me, I say the ball don't stand. Say the ball don't stand now. Actually, the beauty of the Super Eagles now be say the strength of your team at the bench where you get guys where they hunger, where they won't play for the Super Eagles now. Back to back, Nigeria no go Nation Cup. For last World Cup we're not there as well. I know let's say now the game where we don't build or say we won't try, won't go there, and now the game where we say who need and pass. Now we or Zambia. That Russia, we must go, no be lie.
You know what is Zambia they write for their press paper? A must qualify 2018 FIFA World Cup. Yes. A must. Every write-up where they try, sneak, see how they take the right arm. They write arm a must. Now that leaves
Nigeria a must.
So that leaves me with one thing is say, man, these people not a joke. They don't go Europe, go camp.
Yes. But you know one thing, that first match when we beat Zambia for their home ground. You know, say that match they nearly beat Nigeria. And Nigeria never click like this. Then you know that one. They score one goal where referee disallow. They score one goal, referee disallow that goal before Nigeria come score. Before we come win that match. Now that is to show say they know the joke. And now that for their house be that, so now they come our house. Yeah. Now I just believe say right now, me Nigeria not just they carry away with the level of playing now, with the fear, with the scoreline against Cameroon and everything.
The players ready for camp.
Now me don't just they carry away. Me just get that mindset say right now even the player we dey for camp, they are average player but they do well. Make we just play well, win. They go beat Zambia.
You know, so they say a person waiting for grand. We near grand, no they fear to fall.
Not be lie.
They don't get anything.
When a person where they high, go they fear.
Yeah, may not
go for.
They don't get anything to do. They just complain, make them win. Anyhow, see, losing
October 7
to them,
just goes by.
they're not going to fear to lose because
Now,
they don't
okay.
say they won't just come win.
Mo could take small break. Will come back? Mona not go anywhere. By that time, Kazim go don join us inside studio.
Puerta. Y Teo, me parece que es muy peligroso, no puedes dejar un 1.
¡Uy, el error de Ibrahim! Gol de Mertens. Gol de Mertens, lo concede el colegiado. Vaya error que acaba de tener el guardameta Ibrahim, que hasta el momento había evitado ya varios tantos de la selección belga, pero esta vez le ha hecho un extraño la pelota y el balón se ha introducido en la portería de Gibraltar. El gol de Hazard para Mertens en línea de fondo, mete el pase hacia atrás, ojo, puede llegar Meunier, el segundo tanto, el segundo gol de Bélgica. Ahora están cayendo ya los goles de una manera total y absoluta. Tan solo 2 minutos después del primer gol llega este segundo con el disparo de Meunier, que no sé si llega a tocar incluso en un defensa. El caso es que por ejemplo, Kevin De Bruyne ha dicho que parece que es un tema personal. Ojo al centro, Lukaku, gol. El tercero para Bélgica. Ahora sí, Romelu Lukaku, que ya había tenido 3 oportunidades anteriores, bate la portería de Ibrahim. Van cayendo los goles uno tras otro. Lo celebra el delantero del Manchester United, intentando rendir lo más dignamente posible. Vaya golazo de Witsel, la chilena, en el segundo palo de Axel Witsel, ya para poner la guinda al partido. Le sale absolutamente todo a Bélgica en estos últimos minutos. La gente se lo pasa en grande. El cuarto gol para Bélgica. Y encara a Chipolina, qué bonito el autopase, dispara, gol. Gol de Lukaku, que hace doblete, pone el quinto en el marcador. Minuto 38, Romelu Lukaku. El centro de Meunier, cómo se anticipa, cómo se adelanta su marcador Romelu Lukaku. El segundo en su cuenta en el día de hoy. El octavo ya en esta fase de clasificación. 5-0 para Bélgica.
Si dejan solo a Joe inferior, claro, Meunier se enfrenta a Chipolina, lo pasan. Se protesta enérgicamente esta entrada.
Ha chocado con Bosio.
Se han enfadado mucho los jugadores de Gibraltar.
Roja para
claro.
Witsel. Bueno, pues
pero qué
atención,
absurdo.
que ya ha visto a Hazard por delante. Hazard, gol. El sexto de Bélgica, marca el primero en su cuenta. El hombre que hoy volvía al equipo, el capitán de los Diablos Rojos, Eden Hazard. Sexto tanto para Bélgica al filo del descanso. Sigue la fiesta. Está metiendo el centro al segundo palo. El remate de Meunier, gol. El séptimo para Bélgica. Vuelve a repetir Meunier, que ya había anotado el segundo. A placer el tanto del jugador del Paris Saint-Germain. Ahí está precisamente De Bruyne metiendo el centro al segundo palo. Meunier. Y el octavo tanto para Bélgica. Hat-trick para Meunier, que está aprovechando todo lo que le cae en el segundo palo. Esta vez la asistencia es de Kevin De Bruyne. Y llegando solo a placer como en el tanto anterior, Thomas Meunier roba a Lukaku. Lukaku, De Bruyne se va al suelo. Piden penalti.
Capitado.
A favor de Bélgica. Zancadilla sobre Kevin De Bruyne después de ese regalo de los gibraltareños. Y roja.
Excesivo, me parece a mí.
Roja para Barnett. Va Lukaku. Golpea pierna izquierda. Gol. El noveno para Bélgica. Hat-trick de Romelu Lukaku. Bélgica 9, Gibraltar 0. Bélgica que iguala su mayor goleada en partido oficial. Ya es la derrota más abultada también.
Yes, my people, now welcome back. Now still Sport Arena and the watch. Hi, we just Moku giving another news for now to take tutorial and ourselves. Sake of talk say, we need to know what they happen inside the sporting world, because if we say we could begin talk all of the inside studio for here, my brother, my sister, Molebe Aradugbo, time not gonna reach us. So we go just calm down. You know, some of them put out for now to read, and some of them we go talk all of them for now to take here. Okay, inside studio with me for here. Now Kazim, don't join us as we take Duam. He don't join the second half because you know say here like na football, here na stadium on its own. So we don't get a second half right now as Kazim don't join us inside studio. Kazim, good morning.
Good morning, Eric.
How are you side now?
I'm fine. This way. Emmanuel. Good morning. I'm fine.
Traffic,
So now it be Kazim never.
Yeah.
But last week no be Kazim.
Matthew.
Last week it be Matthew.
Because Salah.
Because of Salah.
Oh, that was
Wait, leave her. He say he wants to see me face to face. No, we talk. I'm here.
Yeah.
But not be now, Sha. I want your buru.
Because Salah. You don't matter. No, I can see.
I was. But anybody no call me Matthew now. That's not finished.
Okay, no wahala. Moving on right now. Waiting to happen for the FIBA. FIBA, that is the basketball men, Afro basketball. The Tigers, they do well inside the matter. Kazimo could start with you first. How you take happen? How you see the Tigers? Sorry, Mo take Joseph from Ajawese. Hello, Joe.
How's I doing?
Ade, bro. How your side now?
I'm good.
Correct. Oh, yeah, which about
our league.
Okay, go ahead. Not true.
I don't know how you don't watch Plateau United for home. That pitch is very bad.
Yes.
And the for home go lose for away. So I don't see them as worthy champions. So see, CAF no prove that they have pitch for Champions League next season.
Okay.
So they will likely play outside, maybe for Abuja or somewhere else. They push them back first round. They don't come out. Then secondly, you get this guy where they play for Yota Berlin, will be Nigerian boy.
Okay.
I don't say for one blow. I bet make NFF try to get that guy. Now quality left back and it's very, very long.
Now left back, now be one wing where with the lack where safe.
I want to say Kazim there, and just something about 2 weeks ago when you were talking about this guy Akpeyi. The guy was never thought of his club. He only did not make the match day squad because he was injured.
Yellow
I'm listening.
Before you come on air, you get the fact right. The guy was never third choice of his club because a block that wrongly gave that information. He was never third choice. He did not make the match squad because he was not fit to play that game. So I beg. Then our Eagles, I beg me they know defense. So I beg.
May they know the length.
They have 90 minutes to Russia. I
like that one, Joseph. Nice one.
And if our technical crew is studying, they also watch the under 20 games because that's their strength. They need to watch the under 20 World Cup and everything. That's their strength. Because those guys, they did very sharp. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Joseph. Continue to watch WAP TV. Okay, you don't just waiting to talk about Daniel Akpeyi.
Well, if you, I don't want to make you do like say feedback, you do counter or no counter.
Sorry,
Open
now one
Liverpool.
Open now one name mado.
Fine boy lazy.
Open now ya pro one nigga. Oh, kwa oto aho.
Hello, Zulu, how na day?
I am Potalano we dey here. How about today?
But I'm happy to see as always a smiling faces.
Correct.
Nigeria don't they qualify. To say Nigeria come fuck up as they do.
Open now, we need to use that kind of language. Now today you know WAP TV. Haba.
How na first go do, but in as much as that, we love it. Football give us happiness. The thing where I want to talk now on sports matter, the FPF, you know, say go head to them. You say they go the stadium now after this game. We could help us, they tell us for about 10 p.m. We still say our referees, they fuck up.
Oh, damn, sir. All right, continue right now where we did because right now we need to use that kind of bad word on top of TV for here. I suppose say that call suppose don't go since because the first instance, as you mentioned that word, it means say you know the word to even call say because if you want call family entertainment channel, you suppose know say papa, mama, sister, brother, pikin, everybody Now they watch am. All na family. Now they watch am. So we know they use bad word. We know they preach nonsense. We they preach wetin make brain. You know. And if you they call, you go call and talk. You know, go curse anybody. You go make a moderate. You know. Okay, Casey. The Nigerian Afro basketball matter stuff like that.
Yeah, good one for the Nigeria team, because if you look at that team, or maybe let us look at it holistically now. We are the defending champion. So people are thinking that, okay, since we be defending champion, at least before any of our starts, we must reach quarterfinal or semi-final before we face the likes of Angola, Senegal. You understand? But as that match be now, we will say, now very tight match playing against Ivory Coast. So people are wondering, waiting they happen. Waiting happen, we say we have divided house. Because
that's our coaching team.
You know, it's not even our coaching team. It's the federation. It's the federation.
Yeah.
You understand?
President and the president.
You understand? So Olumide, there are some parts which belongs to Olumide. You understand? Oyedeji, and the other one now, and those ones that are with Olumide, they are the much part of it that played. So they are giving him the solidarity support now. So they purposefully.
Bro, speak PG.
No, you understand?
No, the house now, basketball has not come back now because we get we get Umar and Kida board.
Okay.
If Umar and the former president.
If you say they don't come back,
they don't come back. Kida and get this. Excuse me.
Okay, what's going to happen? Say most of those players they don't come for this.
Now the new president now bring new coach. Sam Vos was now the white man. Sam Vos. He don't come, but now don't bring Alex Nora now the new coach. Bring new team.
Is it new
presidents come with the new team?
No, George from Lagos. Hello, George.
Hello.
Good morning, George.
Good morning. Good morning.
What part of Lagos are you calling from?
Bagada.
Correct. Welcome to WAP TV Sports Arena. Oh, yeah, put your mouth for the matter.
Okay. I want to talk about the qualifiers.
Okay, go ahead.
The qualifiers. I believe Nigeria will qualify.
Okay.
Yes, because from the local things, I know Zambia will play better ball, but the fact is say Nigeria will get more confidence now because of the last match they don't play.
Make complacency no go set you know. Make them no go carry complacency enter there.
No, they not go carry. It's really that we get confidence. And one thing we understand is you get a lot of advantage when you play for your own house. When you play for who?
I believe you, but I know so over skill now they make monkey break leg.
South Africa beat us.
Yeah, so over skill they break monkey leg.
We understand, but the fact they say most will give credit to these boys. They don't do well.
Of course.
Nigeria, don't check the current Nigeria and current world upgrading ranking now. Nothing Nigeria don't go up.
We don't know. We don't know.
We don't go up. So believe them or not, these guys can get confident. I'm going to give them that belief. Look who back them.
That's why we are here. That's why we're here.
We'll go do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We'll talk about the Olumide and the...
Yes. Now two factions there. But the
faction
that's
just the fact. And the faction
they don't agree.
They never agree. The Olumide faction now, I get most of those our first team players.
Yes.
That is why they are not in this tournament.
Yes.
Take it or you leave it.
Yes,
and that thing will cost us this tournament now. And you remember a few months ago, like 2-3 months ago, for under 20 FIBA Africa World, Nigeria presented two teams.
Yes.
At the end of the day, we are
not go anywhere.
You understand? It's a shame. It's a slap to us.
Two teams.
And this is the time we should be getting it right now for basketball, because we will be playing second fiddle to Angola all this while. Now we are the defending champion now, because I'm just thinking now, by the time we get to the quarterfinal, look at Tunisia now. They camp in Spain for good 3 months. Within that time, they play Spain, they play Puerto Rico, they play. You understand?
If you camp for Spain.
For Spain, no.
For Spain.
No problem.
And if you look at Puerto Rico, people will be looking at.
See this Israel. Alabos in Israel.
No, my name now.
Alabos in Israel. This Israel. You see this Israel. Alabos in Israel. You know they hear what Israel talk. You know what Israel talk. Alabos in it.
No, my name now. No, my name. Swat I go say anything.
No, see, I be basketball federation now. Now they get 2 elections now. 2 elections happen on the same day. One for Abuja, one for Kaduna.
Wait till happen.
Now, Umar led board and Kida na person who win the election for Abuja. Now that Umar say in the say they extend their tenure. Now as a president waiting for seats now, you want me extend tenure, make the team favor you
so
and you be the president.
What happened to the election? Why did
the federation get time with the 8
years? So after 2 tenures, the guy wants to run again. He can't extend the constitution. So okay, when if you run 3 tenures, why you think go favor you?
We'll take Ibrahim from Lagos. Hello, Ibro.
Hello.
Ibrahim, good morning.
Good morning.
What part of Lagos are you calling us from?
From Ajegule.
All right. Okay, Ajegule plenty for Lagos, boy. I continue. Put your mouth for the matter.
Okay, now I just want to talk. I want to talk about the Nigeria. They did very good and they play.
Hello, Ibrahim. You did there?
Yes, yes, Baba.
I hear you, my brother.
And I hope the Nigeria continue using Igalo in the front line, because as part of Igalo, I don't think there's any other striker that Nigeria can use.
My brother, you see that one talk because Igalo play well.
I want to ask if Argentina, maybe they don't qualify for the World Cup.
Argentina never qualify, yo.
Okay, sure, thank you.
All right, continue to watch WAP TV and Sports Arena. You go enjoy yourself every time. Okay.
I could just do this in sharp because now the KIDA board now FIBA don't say they hand over everything to the new president, which the first Afro basketball they go last time. Now the former board do. Even these girls we played on the former board. Now this new board now they don't come in, which is the KIDA board. The KIDA board don't take over. But I don't know if they don't hand over the accounts again. The FIBA board so now they change many things. New coach, which I know agree with that one first. Though the coach get experience, that coach.
They complain say FIBA the federation the OAM salary.
No Martin. They don't everybody now. So this new Alex Iwobi, this coach and a former coach, he don't coach Kevet before. So now coach will get experience. But now replacing the winning team. Now the fear why they get be that now. A team we don't win tournaments.
We don't need jail.
Replace almost all of them. Apart from two players, the captain, Ike Dogu.
Even the captain just come for Nigeria's sake.
You get it. And it's hard to replace a winning team. You replace everybody. You never replace one or two. Now you come out everybody, bring new team. Thank God first, they never lose. So one will see the president. They win their match against Ivory Coast yesterday, 77-78. They'll play Mali tonight again. We'll see how far they go. But still, you're not supposed to replace a winning team. We just back them as Nigeria and make them feel do well for the tournament.
Time that is for us to tell on our TV party talk, because if we continue with that basketball for Africa matter talk, we'll not go come up for here because a lot of things there. I see the reason why Emmanuel just shut up. You know what begin spill. You know?
It in my mind.
I know I'm just leave it like that. Just because if we begin talk, hey. We feel not waka again. We go
turn out to give her.
We go turn out to give her. We no waka again. No.
The one
Mo go there, but I just want to just give this very of information. Everybody just know say okay. We play well.
And the main message is that make people not even put mind too much because this is a new team. So we are just supporting them. They never gel.
Okay, Oleye.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to WAP TV Sports Arena.
Thank you, my brother. My complaint is that after the boys, when they don't qualify, when they're not going to change their name, all of us, when we qualify, we will follow go to Russia.
This talk where you talk now, now argument for outside studio because we argue here, no verse. Oleye, I understand what you talk. 2002. You don't happen. I understand you. Thank you so much. You see, for on Wednesday night, I be asked Emmanuel and Lekon and Kingsley say, we don't really ready to play World Cup. Take for example, we qualify. We watch other countries play. You see Venezuela where they look underdog. You see that they take whole Argentina. They hold them well. See the match with Belgium play. Now 2 offside, Belgium they score win. Which means everybody they up their game. You think say Nigeria go fit play past the round of what do they call them? Preliminary stage.
Germany will get 2 best 11.
2 best 11.
No, that question I understand. We never qualify, but we are here to do a constructive analysis. You understand? Now waiting the reflect for our Nigerian league with that.
Yeah.
Sorry for taking us back to the Nigerian league. We go win like Relatively said. All I said is that team with the top league go bottom or middle, go win. The syndrome was that just win the league. They were not looking beyond. Okay, if we win the league now, we are even going to Continental. What is our objective? That was why we go see Nigeria team go competition. You understand? So how did it shows that the way they win the league is not really. I don't want to use that word merit, but it's not really competitive. So back to the question where we talk now. We there for Cameroon team now, Cameroon group now. fine. When the first time they do the drop, people are thinking that Cameroon will be first.
List of death. Okay, Adewale from Lagos.
Lagos first.
Hello?
Wale.
Hello?
Wale, good morning.
Good morning.
Where you dey call from Lagos?
Yeah. I'm calling from Ejigo.
From?
Ejigo, Rilo, Ejigo.
All right. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Put your mouth for the matter.
Please, I just want to ask you to do something about this Abraham from Chelsea. At least, Nigeria can fight for that guy now.
Yes.
Of course, now.
To Nigeria squad.
We can.
Is that?
We can fight and bring him.
The way Nigeria consider about Ola, I know. So they can call him. They can also call him.
Yes, he will come.
Play for Nigeria because only striker we have now is Igalo. After Igalo, we don't have any striker again. So the guy is very good.
Thank you very much, Ibrahim. You see, are they happy? Wale, sorry. Are they happy say Nigerians now? We ourselves don't be scouts, whether you like them or not. You know if you bring anybody, come give us a where we don't know.
Only thing I want to say, not be saying now only Gallo we get as a striker, but now he be the most experienced striker. You understand? Experienced, and we have the likes of other strikers now. You understand? Name them, and by the time you just, if you put all of them together, they will fit into the same group.
Dele Ali they begin to do wonders. I know the one that small boy thing. I know they like
nobody. That's how we just talk say experience. Maybe say anybody small. Say because they ain't small.
Just cap him. Just bring him. Make play friendly match because I know.
No, they will still do. They are still going to do that. Now, wetin I go on to last week.
But we know when they lose that ball.
That's Argentina.
Don't talk. I'm already say they are bringing him home.
You understand? If God willing, we will qualify for the World Cup. After that, you expect it that they will camp. They will make some training camps, this and that.
We don't get time, Abel. So that we'll just finish this. Are we really ready to, compete with other countries, tough countries where we don't see the way they play?
This African team we've seen, this Nigeria team now, we are one of the best. Take it or you leave it. True. Because people will say now, because we don't win 2 matches or 3 matches,
everybody don't talk.
We hail ourselves.
No.
But what's happened? We say
if they watch Sport Arena before now, the lineup where Raw used play, we don't talk about it.
You understand? So that is it. And NFF and the technical board now, them two now they are on the same page now. Maybe say go yes NFL go tell this one technical go so that is what we need. Back to your question now. For Africa, this is the best Nigeria can offer. How far can we go on the continental or intercontinental
if you pass the qualifying stage?
Sure, we can pass the qualifying stage. We can pass the qualifying stage. This is not as if we are not playing to have Brazil, Argentina, and England and in the same group. No. You understand? But if you get one South America, maybe you beat Brazil or anything, we know say that one I work over for Brazil. I'm sorry to say that. We don't want to say we don't ready to beat Brazil or beat anybody. You understand? You understand? No. If you play Argentina now, let me tell you something. This is the same Argentina. If by name we go say they are too much, it's not the same Argentina that is lacking behind now. You understand? So that football don't change now. Football don't really change. We are talking about the current form. Look at South Africa, we call beat us now. Now Cape Verde beat home and away. You understand? And as I
that news, when Lagos come in, Lagos say, bros, any day why you underestimate anybody, guy will fight you.
You understand? So that's
Cape Verde. Cape Verde beat South Africa home and away.
They get 0 points before that game. They don't get any points.
And if you get to know, 1 year or 2 years ago, Cape Verde rank in Africa, they were like 50 something for Africa here. You understand? You are talking about South Africa that have always been around 10, 12, 11. You understand? Within Africa. So it shows that football is prepare your team very well. We are good. You understand? These are current. These are current Super Eagles now. My prayer is that bar any injury, they are one of the experience. We need replacements for Mikel now because we know say no Mikel now. No, Baba on the hold now. He cannot play. No. Don't even compare. Don't even compare.
We need people like Echijile, that Shehu Abdullah. We need somebody to at least one person which don't be organized.
Shehu Abdullah.
Don't forget the goalkeeper angle as well.
Shehu Abdullah.
Yamade come back now. We just say Yamade come full detail.
Yamade is coming back. And we have Ezenwa as the second. Take it on. Now you talk that one.
Ezenwa a good keeper. I no go lie. I suppose Ezenwa for a good keeper, but I never see the exposure.
I beg you, make I take the fixtures for today. You were Alabos in this Alabos in.
Tomorrow you go to say make you promote our league.
More promote our league.
No, yes, promote our league.
Nigerian Professional League for Saturday 9:09 for 2017. Today, today na 9th of 9. Today na many people birthday. Today many people birthday. Okay, Eyimba versus Katsina United. Plateau United go play Rangers. Enugu Rangers. Then Gombe United go play Wiki Tourists. Abia Warriors go play Rivers State United. Nasarawa go play ABS. El Kanemi go play MFM. Then Aqua United go play Kano Pillars. Niger Tornadoes go play Shooting Star. Ifeanyi Uba go play Lobby Star. Remo Stars go play Sunshine Star for today. Then for today match, Man City go play Liverpool. We'll go use this one close for today. Then Arsenal go play Bournemouth. 4-0 go play Bournemouth. Then Brighton go play West Brom. The Everton go play Spurs. Leicester City go play Chelsea today. Big match two. Then Southampton go play Watford. Stoke City go play Manchester United. Then tomorrow will be Sunday. Burnley go play Crystal Palace. Swan City go play Newcastle. Then Monday West Ham. The Israel people go play
Huddersfield United. Oh
yeah, we'll start with you. Man City, Liverpool. Before we carry come off inside studio. What do you expect today?
Straight win for Man City.
Okay.
First play two. Man
City, Liverpool,
Joe. Supposed to win that match. So play two. At the end of the day, play two go be. They go crown play two as NPFL champion.
I hear you today, Jerry. Man City, Liverpool.
Arsenal Bournemouth. I expect Arsenal to.
Your enemy.
The enemy of your enemy is your friend.
He's my friend.
So let Man City beat Liverpool.
They help us.
I believe say maybe I say you get integrity.
Thank you, sir.
But I say you don't even rap your integrity inside banana rap through here. So
Wenger gets integrity.
Wenger no go lodo. Wenger na serious lodo. I dey watch Wenger preview. See, I don't want predict wetin no dey.
But I say we don't change the program for your hand now.
I don't say Wenger go come back. Wenger go bounce back. But my brothers and sisters na fourth after 14. This is 9 go end.
Wait,
fourth after 14.
Arsenal must win league.
No. You say?
You talk about press now.
Yes,
say it's possible.
They are trying to contend that.
We are winning the league.
First, our own play two.
I beg Jare Bokwet. NFF bruise out error against Chipolopolo. Down there for front page for today. Igalo fires blank. Waiting the apple. I been no one take him before. I don't just know how my eye take go there. Because of saying no score for a match where they play. Now he fire blank. Waiting they go on. Club drops continue again. That problem we don't know waiting to happen for there, but more just leave them again for there. You say
fitness.
Continue no dey train.
But he play for Brazil.
But he play for Brazil. No dey train.
You no fit to come back.
Waiting with that one.
Other one PR.
You no fit for Liverpool, but you go play for Brazil. Now you come back to the club again.
You no come fit.
Brazil and Benin Republic.
Okay. All right, there's a company ruled out of a calf blow. Company not there again. Okay, Moko enter. They say review. PSG signed Neymar after Ronaldo snub. Were PSG hoping Ronaldo will go to PSG, leave Real Madrid?
If Neymar can come to PSG,
Ronaldo.
Me have to say age factor still there.
It's the same thing
PSG
now.
they breathe for future. If you know what PSG play last night against Man,
but they say Ronaldo snubbed them.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand my point. If you just suppose the two of them together now, this guy just go up. Neymar they go up. Neymar they go up like this. Ronaldo now, he don't read the solar of his career, so he's diminishing a bit. You understand? This ascending like that. You understand? So Ronaldo, PSG were thinking like, okay, the way we brought Zlatan that time, people will say Zlatan and Ronaldo they no be the same thing. But if they can attract Zlatan, then they can easily beat for Ronaldo. But the waiting at top, we make the thing make sense. Say they are not saying that they are bidding for Ronaldo and Neymar at the same time. It was after Ronaldo turned them down. They now switch to Neymar. And if they can just take it, if they can get Neymar, easily they would have gotten Ronaldo. If
But
not,
why Ronaldo
no,
can't turn them
no, Ronaldo, Madrid they give Ronaldo what he wants. Madrid just realize say Ronaldo is another player entirely, so they are treating him differently. Anything you want, they give him.
I dey watch one documentary.
So you know they get problem with them.
When the French trainer thought say Ronaldo no be human being, say Ronaldo na robot wey dem create for factory.
Human being.
Say Ronaldo na robot. No, wait. Not be saying they say Ronaldo na robot. Like he said Ronaldo dey exceptional. Say Ronaldo dey very exceptional.
So the similitude between Ronaldo and human being is similar to robot.
Okay, we'll not get time again. Make una join us next week on Saturday again, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. From now to that time, yes, we're gonna join us again on Wednesday, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. I go there with my men them to give on a better sport talk. Eric Lemibe, now my own name. From it on now, make una stay well, do well, because better program still they coming away on top on another one family entertainment channel. I go there every Monday to Friday on top Kukuruku to give on the sport segment on top this matter. Yes, so make una stay well, do well. Bye. Una bye, Gary.
Kazi, why Arsenal no collect Sterling for Man City hand?
Why you dey ask that kind of question? Sterling a player, I beg. You know they ask that kind of question.
Play 2 go win.
Which kind 60 million waiting?
Plus Sterling.
No, now Man City no agree.